In this video, I will be showing you how to download a brochure in Canva with pro-level results. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva home screen, where I have access to a huge variety of design categories. I'll navigate over to the Explore Templates section and click on the brochure option to see what's available. Now that the library has loaded, I'm going to take some time to scroll through the different layouts. There are so many professional designs to choose from, ranging from minimalist to more complex corporate styles. I'm looking for something specific for a home interior project, so I'll keep scrolling until I find a template that matches that aesthetic. I've found this elegant brown home interior design brochure, which fits my needs perfectly. When I click on it, a preview window opens where I can see the different print finishes like matte or gloss, and I can flip through the different pages to see the full layout. Everything looks great, so I'll click on the Customize this template button to open it in the Canva editor. Now that the design is open, I want to personalize it by swapping out the stock photos. I'll head over to the left sidebar, click on Elements, and type Interior Design into the search bar. I'll filter the results to show only photos so I can find high-quality images for my brochure. I'll spend a moment browsing through the search results and the magic recommendations to find images that have a consistent color palette. Once I find an image I like, I'll simply drag it from the sidebar and drop it directly into one of the frames on my design. If the positioning isn't quite right, I can double-click the image to adjust the crop and center it perfectly within the frame. I'm going to continue this process for the rest of the brochure, carefully selecting images that complement each other. I'll drag a new photo into the bottom left corner, then another into the center, and keep going until all the original placeholders are replaced with my new selections. I'll check the magic recommendations one more time to find those final finishing touches. I'm looking for images that highlight different furniture pieces and lighting to give the brochure a high-end feel. I'll drop in a photo of a ceiling light and a final decorative setup on the right side. Now that I've finished updating all the visuals, I'll do a quick scroll to make sure the entire layout looks cohesive and professional. Everything looks perfect and ready to go. To save my work, I'll move my cursor to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, I'll select the Download option. I'm going to change the file type to a high-quality PNG to ensure the images stay sharp. Finally, I'll click the purple Download button at the bottom, and Canva will begin processing the file to save it directly to my computer. Now you have a professional-looking brochure ready for your next project. Thanks for watching.